In this video, we'll see how the Sales Order and Purchasing Barcode app enables an organization to effectively manage the inflow and outflow of inventory in the warehouse. For the warehouse worker, handling inbound and outbound inventory is a tedious task. With standard Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations functionality in the absence of barcode labeling, to receive products, the warehouse worker must manually enter the item number, quantity, and other details in the RF scanner or mobile device. This process can be very time-consuming. Hundreds of products flow in and out of a warehouse, thus increasing the complexity and labor hours needed to perform inventory management. With the Sales Order and Purchasing Barcode app, a barcode will be generated for every purchase order and for each of the line items. With the barcode printed, the warehouse user can simply scan the purchase order and respective items through an RF scanner or mobile device. This eliminates the necessity for the user to manually enter the purchase order and item numbers. It saves considerable time for an organization and eliminates potential manual errors from typing incorrect item numbers. Let's see how to set up and use the barcode feature for purchase orders. First, we'll look at the setup. Navigate to Accounts Payable, Forms, Form Setup, Print Management, Purchase Order, Original. Select the new report format created. To print the barcode for purchases, navigate to Accounts Payable or Procurement and Sourcing. Select All Purchase Orders. From this list, select a confirmed purchase order and open it. You then go to the Purchase tab. Under Journals, select Purchase Order Confirmations and print the report and export it to a PDF format. In the report, the barcode will be printed for the purchase order number and for every item. The warehouse user, while receiving the goods, can now simply scan the barcode for purchase order and items. This process saves a considerable amount of time for an organization in inventory management and eliminates manual entry errors.